Windows 11 is a breeze to use, but hardware issues can pop up at any given point in time. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can fix USB device not recognized errors in Windows 11. USB port issues can happen a lot in Windows depending on how old your PC is especially. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and check different USB ports on your system. There is a chance that a USB port might have been fried or broken down because of n number of hardware issues. So try another USB port, and if you're using a USB hub, circumvent the hub and plug your peripheral directly into the PC to rule out any issues with the USB hub. Once you're done with that, we can move on to the next method, which is actually managing power settings in Windows. Now, to do that, the first thing that we're going to do is search for power settings. So press the start menu and search for power settings. You can see this edit power plan option. Click it. Alright, now this will give us the settings for the current plan. Go ahead and click on change advanced power settings. In here, expand USB settings. Go ahead and select USB selective suspend setting and disable it for both on battery and when plugged in. Go ahead and click the apply button and you're good to go. Just restart your PC and try plugging in peripherals again. Next up, let's take a look at Device Manager. So just press Windows key plus X to bring up this menu. Go ahead and click on Device Manager and wait for it to open. Here it is. Now, in this window, let me just resize it. Scroll all the way down to find US Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Expand this and then click on your USB root hub. Right click and then click on Properties. Now this will open up a new menu. So we're heading over to Power Management and just uncheck the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. What can happen is at times your PC might turn off the default USB hub to save power for n number of different reasons. This is an issue that's plagued Windows for a long while now and can also affect other things like your Wi-Fi card and Bluetooth connectivity options and so on and so forth. So make sure that this option is disabled. Click OK and then try reconnecting your USB devices. If that didn't help, maybe a driver update can fix the issue. So once again, press Windows key plus X and open up the Device Manager. Once the Device Manager boots up, we are going to scroll all the way down to the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click your USB root hub, click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically for Drivers, and then the Windows will automatically search and install the best possible device drivers for your particular root hub. If that doesn't fix the issue, you can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update based on how the setting goes, which brings us to our final solution. If nothing else works, your best bet is to try and update Windows. To do that, press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings and head over to the Windows Update option right here. As you can see, I have a Windows Update that's pending for installation. So if not, you'll see a check for updates button right here. So make sure that you have, if you have any pending updates installed, make sure you install them and then restart your PC before testing your USB devices again. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.